All right, I'd like to share with you a little bit of info about this Roku voice remote control. So quickly, I'll just go over all the buttons here and then show you how they work. So again, this is your power on and off button. You have your home button here, a back button. You have the OK button, which is what you press to select what you want to do, and your 4 direction arrows. Then you have your asterisk, which is used for a lot of your different settings. The voice control button, you just hold that in when you want to talk to the mic. Then it has this rewind button. Then there's another, like if you're playing, here's your play button for playing and pausing while watching TV. And then it has your rewind and fast forward buttons there as well. Now, a lot of these remotes come with preset. Those may vary from remote to remote. One of the cool things I didn't mention yet is that this particular remote control can actually turn on and off and do the volume control on non-Roku TVs. So to show you how this one works here, I'm just going to press the on button, and there you go, it powered up my TV. So again, I can just use the arrow keys, go through. I can go over to my different apps and the tiles I have over here. Volume control, pressing on the side there, you can see it going up and down. So it's that simple. All right, now I want to show you how the voice control, again, right here, press it in, I talk into it, Captain America. And there you go, it pops up. So there we have the Roku voice remote control. Made my life a lot easier. I highly recommend it.